Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, hello guys. This video, me, Harun Diego, and my friend,
Yes, Hasan Abdul Syarif.
we will podcast about best place visit in Indonesia.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk which place should to visit in Indonesia. Yes.
Yes.
Yay. So yeah, what do you think? You have something like where's the best place to visit?
I think in Indonesia, so many place best for visit. Because I'm in Central Java, yeah. Near Central Java there is Yogyakarta. There is
So you like to visit Yogyakarta?
Yes.
Why? But why? But why?
because in Yogyakarta, yeah, in there is a lot of food, yeah, traditional food,
Traditional food.
Yes.
Yes.
and I very like traditional food.
So just like what?
Such as like what do you know?
I mean, you have said that you like traditional food.
Yes.
Yeah. What is kind of traditional
Yeah,
food you like?
traditional food. Yeah, there is what the name? Apek and then lontong-lontongan and
Oh.
snack pasar.
Yes, yes,
Nah,
yes.
that is delicious.
Is it more specifically or which Yogyakarta? I mean.
I don't know where, but if you walk around Yogyakarta, I think you will found many place sell traditional food.
Mm, I think if I'm suggestion in Yogyakarta, go to Malioboro.
Yeah, Malioboro.
Malioboro. Also, the name is Pantai Kritis. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, there is Pantai.
Yeah, Pantai Kritis. But it's kind of really. I mean, I'm little confused because in Malioboro, it's a lot of. It's just like a
Junk food.
Yeah, junk
Yes.
food. Also, there's mall. But I mean, when Yogyakarta, I mean the civilian of Yogyakarta, they not go to Malioboro as a holiday. You know, a lot of Jogja people will go to Merapi
Yeah.
and maybe Pantai Kristus, yeah, just like once or twice a time, for just visit and because they they know about their place, so
Be boring.
they usually go to outside of Yogyakarta. I don't know why.
I think because because in Malioboro kan many people, there is bule and so
Yeah.
rame. I think warga sekitar boring, look, too many people.
Mm.
So we go pantai for more sepi.
Yeah,
Santai.
there's sometimes not really a lot of people.
Mm.
Yes. In my opinion,
Yes.
if someone said where is the best place to visit in Indonesia, I will say Bali.
Bali, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bali, the first one is because famous.
Mm.
It's because famous. A lot of foreigner outside Indonesia will know about Bali,
Yes.
not Indonesia.
Uh-huh.
So if people say like
Bali different country.
Bali is different country, I think Bali is different country. Is it part of Malaysia? No, it's Indonesia. Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes foreigner will confuse that. Oh, Bali is Indonesia.
Yeah.
Wow.
I see.
And also a lot of foreigner like to visit Bali because when foreigner go to Bali, they will feel like, oh, I'm rich because $100 it will be like 1 million in rupiah, so it's like 10 of paper of 100 rupiah. Yeah,
Yes.
but in dollar it's just like single paper, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, so if they change the USD to
Rupiah.
rupiah, it's like kind of like, oh, I'm really rich. Yeah. But I think yeah, for local people in Indonesia, Bali is not really worth it.
Yes, because we think that is too expensive.
Yeah, too expensive. The first one is too expensive. Outside that, because majority in Indonesia is Muslim, so
Yes.
it's not really really friendly for Muslim because yeah, it just
Many pork.
it's just like amount of masjid, amount of mosque or something like musola to pray. Yeah, usually yeah, local people in Indonesia when go visit Bali, so they will pray on their room.
Yeah.
Yeah, not go to mosque because yeah, it's just
Okay.
like because in
Majority.
yeah, because usually in another part of Indonesia, we just like, oh, I found a mosque, I will pray there. In Bali it's different.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's
A lot
minority.
majority. Yeah. Majority-nya Buddha.
Buddha, Hindu.
Yeah, Hindu.
Yeah, it's Hindu.
Hmm.
So, but I think I have one more best place to visit Indonesia.
What is it?
That is Jakarta, Surabaya, and Lombok.
You say one.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's funny.
because the Jakarta is metropolitan,
Yes.
and Surabaya is it's like local metropolitan area in East Java, and also a lot of Chinese people will live here.
Yeah.
And the
Surabaya.
third one is Lombok
Lombok.
because recently akhir-akhir ini Lombok get a lot of visitors from outside Indonesia.
Oh, because you know aura farming.
Aura farming.
Yes.
Also in Rinjani.
Yes.
In Rinjani Mountain.
Oh.
What do you think?
I think yeah, that's good. But you know, what, Raja Ampat?
Yes, Raja Ampat in Papua, right?
Yeah.
There
is a good view if you want to go there. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's too expensive. I
Yeah.
think.
But I think for outside people or bule,
Yeah, for foreigner.
for foreigner that is worth it because he go Indonesia for healing, not think the price.
So just like
Just go.
diving. Also, what the name like in ocean like shoo. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Skateboarded.
Hey, no, it's like
Overboard.
yeah, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, skydiving. No, skydiving is like sky. No, I mean no. Wait, it's different. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, Raja Ampat, yeah. But I think yeah, I will prefer to Lombok because the first one is cheap.
Yeah.
Second one is a lot of people go there, and also it's friendly for Muslims.
Oh, or Batam.
Batam is too far away. But I think it's when someone go to Indonesia from outside, it's more near because it's near by Singapore. Singapore. You just like enter Indonesia to Batam by Singapore, like Singapore to Batam. Just a few kilometers. Yeah. Using a boat. What kind of boat?
Oh yeah, anything can.
Ship.
Shit.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay. But I think yeah, when Indonesians want to go to vacation, I think Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yeah, the first one is because metropolitan area. You have go to Jakarta, right?
Yes.
For the first time when I go to Jakarta, it's like wow, big buildings, a lot of buildings, like really tall. I think not
Tall.
really tall at all when we compare to Malaysia, something like Kuala Lumpur. It's not really tall at all, but it feels like oh my god, there's a cities like this in Indonesia. Oh my god, it's just like oh, it's out of the box. Yeah.
But not all good in Jakarta. If you know the pinggiran,
Yeah.
that's, wah, so miris.
Yeah, it's so suddenly a lot of people homeless there. I think like there a few. I mean, in Jakarta there's a place that people will really rich, and also there's a place in Jakarta it will be will really. I mean, they don't have, yeah. I mean, they didn't have money to eat. Also, but their job is not really good at all. and also they live in you know what? It's like homeless place. A lot of trash, and it smells like wow, and it's dirty.
Yeah. And you know the place in Jakarta for rich people?
Where?
Big.
Yeah, pick one and pick two.
Yes.
Yeah, I think for rich people will go there, yeah, in best vocation in Indonesia. But I think for the local, the like middle range people,
Wow, this
Yeah.
is very expensive.
that's too expensive. I mean, once, I mean, we pay for breakfast. It's just like around 300
Wow.
thousand rupiah. Oh my god, it's too expensive. We usually breakfast here just like around 20 rupiah. 20,000 rupiah.
Yes.
It's like 5 times or 10 times more.
3,000 rupiah we can eat 1 week.
300.
Yeah, 300. Sorry.
So,
300.
300,000 compared to 20,000. Oh my god.
That's too expensive.
Should be a really
Mhm.
rich people. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, maybe that's all,
Maybe
guys.
that's all.
So maybe yeah, that's our last statement. Yeah, we talk about Peak is like expensive place to visit. But did you have some another place before we close this section?
I think you must go to Solo.
Why?
Solo have slogan Solo ngangenin. Nah,
Solo, what does that mean?
I mean, if you one time go Solo, you won't go Solo again in another time.
It's memorial place.
Yes.
Ah.
I have a story that is
Yeah.
my teacher from where, you know?
Is it from wait? I forgot. Is it from Jambi or something?
Yes, from Jambi.
Yeah.
He go to Solo in 3 or 4 months, and he resigned from his place,
Yeah.
and he don't want go to Jambi again.
Because he loved.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. He's falling love. He's falling love to Solo. Oh my god.
Mhm.
But I think Solo have different aura.
Yes.
Yeah. The first one is because a lot of local people and just like middle low people. I mean the financial,
Mhm.
middle to low people. Also they're humble.
Yes, always Indonesian people always humble.
Humble, yeah. But I think because Solo is too humble. I think Solo is just like I mean it's daily place to visit. I think it's not really rare to visit for Indonesians.
But if you have more time, I think you must to try go to Solo.
Yeah. Also, from Solo to Jogja because it's not far away. So usually people in Solo and Jogja just like traveling from the Solo to Jogja
Yeah.
by using commuter line.
Yes.
Oh my
And
god.
the price very cheap, only 10,000.
No,
10,000
It's 10,000
rupiah.
less than 10,000.
Oh,
It's
right now
around 8
8 right
8,000.
now. Go 10, I think.
Oh, let's go 10.
Maybe.
Oh my. It's getting more expensive. It's like adding to add more to 2,000 rupiah. I can buy some gorengan, bro. I think it's more. Oh my god, it's getting more expensive. Okay.
Yeah. But that's it. In Solo there is what the name?
What?
Transportasi umum.
Public transportation.
Yeah, public transportation. There is Trans Solo, you know.
Oh, usually in local people say TJ.
Yeah, TJ.
But TJ is for Trans Jogja.
Solo
Is the
Trans Jateng.
no? It's what ya?
Solo Trans.
Solo Trans?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Nah, that's you only use 2,000 rupiah for go anywhere.
We'll go anywhere.
Nah,
Oh.
you only use how to say tap cash like e-money. You only tap and then go
They
inside.
go anywhere
Go anywhere.
using public transportation.
Mhm. And there is the last there is Trans Jateng, you know.
Yeah.
we can go from Solo to Wonogiri only 2,000 rupiah.
Wonogiri. Is it best place to visit Wonogiri?
I don't know too, because in Wonogiri not to special place.
Yeah.
But if you go there, so cheap price you use for eat, for place.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think so, yeah, because Wonogiri is really far. I mean, when we want to go from at that point to another point around Wonogiri, yeah, we can use Gojek and Grab, and it can be more expensive than public transportation.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I just say
Oh,
I
yeah.
want to there. Just 2,000.
okay.
Because in Wonogiri is my home.
Your Wonogiri is your home.
Yes.
Oh, your hometown.
Yeah, hometown.
But I think yeah, Solo is not the real name of that city. The real name is Surakarta.
Surakarta.
Yeah, Surakarta. But but I think usually people will say Solo, and people will more understand
Solo.
when they say Solo. And I think yeah, one thing that I like Solo because it's really recommended to visit it because there's a train, you know,
Oh.
train beside the main road in Slamet Riyadi Road, you know, that there's a train like.
Oh,
no?
yeah, I know.
Yeah, and also because I'm rail fans, especially for train. I like the old locomotive, and I forget the serial number, but I really like the style of like old train locomotive. You know what? Like very black with a colonial style. I really like it. Also, it's still. I mean, the locomotive still active until now. So you can just pay to just like having fun. I mean, having holiday to I mean to what's the name yeah? To I mean holiday. So you can go around the train.
Oh.
So it's just like around 100,000 rupees or something. But sometimes people will rent that locomotive. Old locomotive is like around 26 million.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
expensive.
26
But
million
I think that for holiday that's worth it.
Yeah.
For holiday.
That's why Solo is different.
Yeah.
Solo it's different. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all. So my friends Harunias Gifo add that Solo is more recommended because it's cheap, friendly for Muslims, and also hits different. So maybe that's all from us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And Harunias Gifo will close with wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
I mean yeah. So Harunias Gifo will close yeah.
Okay, maybe that's all from us for podcast. Okay, maybe that's we say.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.